The Hubli Dharwad Bandh, called by Dalit organizations to protest against Union Home Minister Amit Shah's alleged remarks about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, sparked significant reactions on January 9th. The Bandh, supported by Congress and pro-Kannada organizations, is being observed from 6 am to 6 pm. Early in the day, activists rode through the city urging public support. Shops, businesses, and public transport in major areas remained shut as part of the voluntary Bandh. In addition, several private schools and colleges in Dharwad were closed as a precautionary measure. The police have deployed heavy security to maintain order and prevent any untoward incidents. Protester Mazhar Khan emphasized as Home Minister Amit Shah should show respect to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, the architect of our constitution. His offensive remarks have angered people deeply. Ambedkar is revered as much as Mahatma Gandhi by many. Until Amit Shah apologizes and resigns, we will continue our protest. This Bandh is a united stand against disrespect towards Ambedkar's legacy.
Come here to protest against the speech given by Mr. Shah, who is the Home Minister, and has got no decency to even give reference to Baba Saheb Ambedkar, a person who has given us the Constitution of India. And he says, if you remember Bhagwan, so many times you would have got this one. But for all the Indians, even Baba Saheb Ambedkar is as good as is next only to Mahatma Gandhi. So whatever he has said, he has to take back his words. He has to resign, and unless he resigns, we are going to continue this struggle.
How is this Bandh is going on, sir?
Pardon?
Today, how is this Bandh is going?
Yeah, everywhere everything is closed. All the people from all walk of life, because everyone in India likes Ambedkar, and they have voluntarily closed everything, and it is total Bandh today. And it's a lesson to those who are against Ambedkar. We will stand by this constitution and will not allow anyone to say anything to Ambedkar as well as the constitution.